So, how to use the Navigatables. Install it first from our tool manager, then you get two scripts, the group manager and the navigational button. Okay, let's delete all of this because we don't really need it, and let's set it up from the start. I'm using a button from the UI, so basically button, but I'm just using the image, not the button itself. So you can use this as with basically just an image or anything else really, or text or whatever. So just add the navigation button and you get three events: on select, on deselect, and then on apply. What happens when you actually press an input key? So let's just see the select and deselect. On this example, I'm just going to be replacing the color of the image for that. As you can see, there is already a method that sets for the highlight color on this and the default color. So all you have to do is basically just drag and drop this. If you wanted to replace an image, for example, for the matter, you can just say drag and drop the image, then go image and then sprite and just replace the sprite. If I wanted to change the text when selected, I will go on the text and go into string text and let's say selected. Okay, alternatively on deselect you could just do the same thing and say text deselected. Then just create as many buttons as you want, just place them around the level wherever you need, and they don't have to be under a grid. I'm just using them just because it's faster to do, and so on. Okay, you can place this anywhere you want. Then on the parent object of this, just add the navigatable group manager. In this example, because we are playing the, we just use, you don't have anything else on this project, just an empty project. I'm just going to say debug the move as well, so we can actually move around. Hit play and you will see that I now have selected, and I can go pretty much anywhere I want just by using my keys and without having to worry about where the buttons are on the screen. Okay, they are using relative positions based on what we are doing. So this is the fastest way you can have menus, especially if you do console stuff or controller stuff. This is a lifesaver. Okay, so that's how you can use the navigatables. In your script, if you control your own inputs, all you have to do is basically just call the navigate and pass the target direction you want to move from that button you are actually using. Of course, feel free to get to see the result. And if you want to use something else or create your own navigation button, you can just use and implement the iNavigatable and actually implement the interface and just do anything you want with that. So that's how you can use the navigatables.